How to remove Gmail account on Facebook. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is simply tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Facebook menu. Now scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option available there. There, tap on the Settings. Now here tap on the Account Center at the top. From there scroll down and tap on the Personal Details option available there. In there you will get to see Gmail option available at the top. Tap on it. Now tap on it again and you will get to see Delete option available there. Simply tap on the delete and delete this email. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.